Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go subscribe already. So I'm here with another unboxing video today, and these are some stuff that yeah, this came kind of a little bit damaged, but it's fine. Yeah, I got some of these things from Wish and I got some from Amazon, and I used the coupon code for one of my items, and I'll let you know when I get to that item. So here goes everything. All right, so this is what I got from Wish, and I'm sure it's not like OPI, but they're nice little. There's like 5 pieces, and I paid 99 cents for these, and they're the 100. It says one OPI 100 180 grid file, and it's like the zebra pattern, and I think they're awesome because they're so beautiful, and I love the shape of it. It's just, I'm addicted to the shape now. I love the shape. So I'm not sure if it's OPI, it could be an off-brand of OPI, but I want to know if it's a good buy. I haven't tried them out yet. I'll let you know in further video, but for right now I got those, and it was only like a 99 cents, so it's really good price. So I also got these buffer blocks here, like 10 of them in a bag, and I only paid 99 cents also for these 10, which I thought was a freaking dream, because 10 buffer blocks for 99 cents is not bad. Like, sorry about the noise. I know these things make all kind of noise, so sorry about the noise, but yes, you see it. 10 of them, $1 sold. Yeah, okay. And sorry about that. Yeah, so this, girls, y'all know this name, right? So I bought these, and it looks kind of wrong, but it's kind of good, because you know it's good because it's named Always. It's Always wipes. Always. Always. Alright, let me get over myself. But I got, like, this is 100, 200, and 300. I bought 300 of these wipes. I got them all from Wish. And all you have to do is go on Wish. You'll see it on there. I don't have a link for it, but you go on Wish and you look up lint-free wipes, and these will pop up. I only paid 99 cents a piece, so that's like $3 hello for 300 of these, and they're good because I have some and they're awesome. They don't leave any lint behind, so that's a good buy. Okay, all right, keep it moving. So these packages here, I got these off of Amazon, and my daughter had dropped my drill and it broke. It was an accident, so I ended up had to buy a new drill. So I was like, okay, since I'm gonna get a new drill, might as well I get some accessories to go with said drill. So all right, let me get this out the bag. Yep, I bought me some goodies. Some goodies, yes. Okay. Ooh, nice. Yeah, bear with me. I'm coming up. I'm doing it. Yep, so you can see them. Wow. Okay. And this. Right. Oh, okay. So I thought this was also from Wish. I got this mixed up with the rest, but this is also from Wish, and this is 10 pieces of glue sticks, and these were also a whole $1. 10 pieces, $1. Wish you had $1, don't you? Okay, let me get myself together. But yep, I got these Pana 30. It's a 3/. Let me see if I can get it up in the camera so you can see that. And this is a large barrel, and it's, I don't know what the F is for. the last time I said this, I put this up here, somebody told me what it meant. So y'all can comment in the comment section and let me know what this stuff means, please. All right, let me get serious. Okay, so that's an F, and this one is 3 times C. It's the same, and this one is a large smooth top, which I like to have these because sometimes I'm filing down the nails on my trainer hand and it's taking too long, so I like to have something like this. And this one is shank 3.3/32 inches, and I like that shape. Let me get it out the package so you can see better. I don't know why, but yes, I'm expecting y'all to see it inside the package. So I've seen people using this bit here. I love how it works around the, let me take this off real quick. I haven't done my nails and I'm supposed to do them, but because I didn't have a drill, I had to wait until my drill came in. So yeah, that's why they're like this, guys. So you take this here and it goes right along here. So I love that. It's like it really goes up against, and it's smooth on top, so it won't hurt your clients. So I like that. And then I got these 3 here, and they came in a set together, and I bought these off of somebody's link. I will try to get the link and put it in the description below. I'll get the link and put it in the description below so you can support the sister, because yes, we all need support in life. And if I find an affiliate link, I'm going to use it instead of going to Amazon paying full price like me rich. May not have them kind of money there. So yes, use the links, ladies. When you find these links in the comment section below, in the description below, I mean, use them, because it supports the ladies' channels, you know, because buying these things are not easy. We have to do this out of our own budget. So let me stop talking and keep moving, because this is a long day and I have other things, and I know you want to see what I have gotten. And this is the big piece. I left this one for last. So let me adjust this camera. There we go. Alright, so I got this electric drill, and this is the Macart 3000 RPM nail drill, low noise, low vibration. And let me open this up. It was in a big box, you know, it came in a huge box, so I took it out so it can fit in the frame of the camera. But here we go. That's all. I didn't open this box at all. I don't know how it looks, so we're both gonna see this right now. Let me see if I can take this up a little more. There we go. That's perfect. Okay. Oh, Kurt. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Ooh, boy. Okay. Jeez, this is really big. Okay. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So it says JDSA power, and this is the JD 700, and this is the on and off switch, and this is the one that controls the speed. This is for the foot pedal. This is where you put your iron piece, and this is for forward and for reverse. Forward and reverse. Yes. So you see how I went forward and then reverse? So watch out for me in traffic, guys, because yeah, watch out for me in traffic. But yeah, you won't be safe, because it was like, go to the left, Regina, left, and I went, and I'm like, oh right, okay, yeah. So yeah, so but this, it's heavy. I hope it packs a wallop. And this is a cord. I don't like the color of it. It's so depressing. Oh. But I don't care. And it's American cord, so that's good. And I don't know if they sent me a different kind of cord in case. I think they know if they're sending it to the US, so yeah. Okay, let me get the rest of this thing out the package and stop my yapping. And here's the foot pedal. Nice. It's not, yep, okay. And this, we're gonna insert in right here, so. Alright. Alright. And then, okay. I got some sanding bands. I don't know why I have this one on still, but yeah. Okay, and I think I have, okay, smooth, medium, and coarse. And you get 10 pieces in each bag. So, and then you get, ooh, okay. This is, okay, then make sure so that thing now pull on, throw away your stuff. Okay. Those are the bits that you get. You get a cuticle cleaning bit, you get a mandrel, and they give you an extra one in here. And those look like they're kind of good. So I can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna be using it, so I'll let you guys know how this drill works. I will let you know in each video I do after this. I'll let you know. And I use a coupon code to purchase this drill. I got it off of Natalie Carmona. I got it off of her website because she used the same drill, and she is the one I'm like, I'm going over there to go get this drill because my daughter broke my drill and I need it now. So I guess the end piece is in your soap. Okay. Let me move this mess out the way. Yeah, throw that on the ground. I'm gonna leave it there till my daughter comes so she can clean it up since she cost me money. So sleek and pretty. Yes. Okay, this is the end piece, guys, and it's surprise, it's gray. Yay. Oh my gosh. So okay, so this is the end piece, guys, and so there's an R and an S on it, and I think that is for release and secure. Release, secure. At least I did that right. So this is releasing. Okay, no, I guess not. Okay, there we go. That released it. Release this little metal piece here, and then you can insert insert all right, stop it. You can insert one of the mandrel, and I'm gonna plug it in and see how this works. Here we go. Oh, I love the mandrel. Oh, yeah, you know, look how hard I have to fight this on here. Yeah, because normally when you buy these, the mandrel is the so loose that the one I was using, it was loose. So the minute I start working, it just flew off of there. And this is the 3-pronged part, and this part goes right in here, I think. Yeah, let me see if I'm doing this right. Okay, no, I think, yep, that's it. That's how you put that in. It goes, yeah, they don't even show you. I guess you just figure it out yourself. And this is the part where you put the hand piece. I guess you just put this right on here like so, which is kind of cool, or you do it like this. Nope, this is the way. And this end piece, guys, is so lightweight. I think it's probably too far out, so let me release and insert and fasten, and it's secured in there. And I'm gonna plug it in into my handy dandy table, which my husband hooked up for me. I'm gonna do a big reveal on my room, guys, but I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna do a big reveal on my room. So just, you know, bear with me, because I'm embarrassed. There's nothing in here to show you, so I don't want to show you until I have a few things in. I don't have anything, and I feel bad. You know, some people, when they do their nails room review, I'm like, oh, I wish I had stuff like that. But anyways, let me go on to people business and show you how this thing works. Let me put this over here, move this out the way, move yourself, right? All right, secure those, get them out the way. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy training hand. She is always here for me. Always here for me, baby. Oh yeah. This is Susie, and I have Karen, my silicone hand. But this is Susie, and she is amazing. I got her from Pana, the same company that I got these things from, and she hasn't failed me yet. So Pana, yeah, shout out the girl, please, because I love your stuff, and yeah. Anyways, let's go. Let me see, let me turn this on. Alright, on foot pedal, and I have it on low speed. Ooh. Ooh. You hear this? Okay, so let me show you the that's where it started. Right now it's not doing anything, so I'm gonna try to push it up. That's on 3, and it's barely going. This is like if you're, you know, preparing the nail. Ooh, listen to that. It's just purring along, and it's going up. That's it on full blast. Oh my god. It's not doing none of that stuff. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yes, I am. Let me turn this down to a I'm gonna use it about maybe there. Let's check this out, guys. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Yes. I'm in love. I'm in love. Look how beautiful this goes. Yeah. Yeah, I sing when I'm happy, so this is really nice. It's really nice. Let's turn it up a little. Because I want to see if it can manage. But it's really working on this nail. Okay, I love it. Okay, and now I just snap, release. I love that. The other one I had to use a tool and pull that thing out of there, and it was horrible. Yeah, our fingernail fall off sometimes, but that's okay, because you know they snap right back on. You know, our nails, when it breaks, it's over. We're done for. It hurts forever. But you know, she doesn't cry. She just like, put my nail back on, please. I'ma just do it, and she good. But anyways, this was my all for today, guys, and if you stuck around this far, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment in the comment section below, and share my video. Come and need you to share it, please. And love is everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.